from our candidates. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jasmine. We welcome you to the Ginoo at Binibining Kalinangang Pilipino 2010 with the theme Festival.
Mabuhay ka, Jasmine. Mabuhay, everybody. Ako po si Hermie at ito na ang pangatlo that organizes this event. This year, the Philippine Embassy for co-organizing this event.
Yes, Hermie. At magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. This is going to be a very exciting competition because today we're going to proclaim the winners for the Ginoo at Binibining Kalinangang Filipino 2010.
Okay, sandali lang po. Okay, everybody. Kapag after nilang magpakilala, MC, after nilang magpakilala, tatayo lahat ng dancers, exit, tapos abot na exit ng dancers baba. Okay? Can we try that? Everybody dancers.
That was a colorful and wonderful performance from our candidates. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jasmine. We welcome you to the Ginoo at Binibining Kalinangang Pilipino 2010 with the theme Festival.
Tama ka dyan, Jasmine. Mabuhay ka. Mabuhay tayo lahat. Ako po si Hermie and this is the third event of the HCC. Something like that.
Yes, Hermie. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And today, this is going to be a very exciting competition because we're going to witness the winners for the Ginoo at Binibining Kalinangang Filipino 2010.
Sounds exciting. Magandang hapon po, Jasmine, Hermie, and Adi Ems. At syempre sa lahat po ng ating mga manonood, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Father Arvin. Simula na po ang pagminsahan. Ituloy-tuloy na natin. Let us now reveal the winners for the first set of special awards.
Tama, okay lang yun. Huwag na mag-backward. Ready? First set.
Okay, we shall now announce the winners of Mr. and Miss Congeniality, Mr. and Miss Photogenic, and Mr. and Miss Internet.
And here's how Mr. and Miss Congeniality was chosen.
The criteria for judging Mr. and Miss Congeniality are the following. Ticket sales, 50%. Rapport with fellow candidates, 50%.
And to present the award, put your hands together for Mr. Roel Pandilla and Miss Rose Ilo.
The friendliest Ginoo is candidate number 6.
Wait. Meron tayong extra music na before and now.
Practice natin.
Yes, sir.
Ano yung number niyo? 1 to 6, 1 to 6, o 1 to 12?
1 to 6, 1 to 6. 1 to 6, 1 to 6.
Okay, very clear. Paano, Roger? And the winner, paano?
Sound. Hindi, pag sinabi niyo and the winner is i-sustain niyo para merong cue dito sa ano.
And the winner is...
Alright. And the winner is sustain.
Karen.
Okay. Ready?
Upload ke the next 2 days para the making.
Near on the wall is the friendliest of them all. The friendliest Ginoo is candidate number...
CD2. Repeat. CD2 yun, CD2. Yogi. Yogi, background. Ego. Sound monitor yun.
Sorry.
Monitor.
The friendliest Ginoo is candidate number...
Ego ACD. Ego akan.
Nangangailangan ng translator, si Jasmine ang kailangan dyan. Translator ka na lang.
Ego? Roel, yung CD mo pala pareho ang laman.
Yes. Condolence.
Background siya, dalawa yung background.
Aray, ano masasabi mo sa competition?
Sa ngayon, nakomment pa ako.
No comment?
Dugo ko yay ko.
Oh, sir. Sino bang yung ano,
Aaron Bune.
Husay ang
announcer?
announcer. Husay, name si.
Si Jasmine, sir? Ay, lalaki.
Well,
Si Prop Ermi.
Ha?
Ebong,
Gang ko ba? Ha?
pagod na?
Pagod na grabe as in. Eh, pumapatol lang mo sa bata niyo po.
Tanong ka sa bus kung pa saan papunta.
Ayan po. Ang ating candidate ay kumukuha na ng kanyang ulam.
Hello po, I'm Francina España, 24, and I'm proud to represent South Korea Filipino community. Gusto ko narinig nila.